So it's my birthday. Geordie Intelligence is one today. Thank you so much for coming with us on our journey. What next though, eh? Alright lads and lasses, welcome along. Tuppence Tuesday, yet again. I've been doing this for a year, I can't believe it. Technically, we're not, our first video was released 13th of April 2020. And it was just a sort of, I wanted to show people how to do analyze the COVID figures correctly, really. How can I actually connect to the Johns Hopkins data set and get access to some proper data. I think I was seeing a lot in the news, I wasn't sure. It took about a week, really, before I thought, we're going to do this properly. This is going to become something else. And Geordie Intelligence was born. It's been an interesting year for me, like a big period. As I say, we started looking at COVID-19 stuff, and now I think we've gone on. I decided in the summer I didn't want to touch COVID-19 no more. I think we're done with it, aren't we? Really, as a people, like it's there, it's ruined everything. I'm fed up with talking about it. We looked at weekend work. I'm trying to really push that. I think that's a format I like. Tuppence Tuesdays, I don't know. Let me know. I'm still going through it. My journey in the last, period. Yeah, I've been doing this for 15 plus years in terms of process management, data usage, being able to actually get the most out of everything, improve what you're doing and your business processes, and then obviously that's all reflected back in how you analyse it. In terms of Power BI, I've been around a bit, I've done some courses. I think I'm alright to talk to you about it. So, what can we do for you guys in the future? What's next for Geordie Intelligence? What are we going to do to keep yous coming back? I think what we're going to do, really, we're going to be pushing more the videos, right? Tuppence Tuesday, I need to change it, I think. It's been going for the whole period. I wanted to do more, right? Because for me, the real point of doing it, and it is the reason I started doing this initially, it was about data literacy. And I think there's a lot more that we, as a community of analysts, need to do and be aware about the impact of what it is we do, right? Because figures, everything like that, it's different, isn't it? Like, as I analyse data, one of the things I'm doing is I'm dehumanising it, and that's the nature of the beast. That's what it does. So as our analysis gets bigger and deeper and broader, we're dehumanising what our businesses do. And one of the things for me as a process manager and actually managing the processes that go through a business and make them work well is I have to always think about the human element. And it's a real, there's a lot of fight and argument going on there between the business side and between like the analysis side. And I find it really difficult to kind of justify and manage those two areas in balance. So the videos, I think, for Tuppence Tuesday are going to become a lot more about the data literacy side rather than Power BI per se. I think that makes more sense to me. We've got the training courses that we've written this year. So, I've done the basic introductions to Power Query, right? Brilliant one based on the Excel churn video that I did. That's a great one just to start on, get your head round how do I do it, right? We've got the Microsoft dashboard in a day that because Geordie Consultant is a Microsoft partner, we can leverage that they get access to the course. We can then use that and deliver that Microsoft course. We've also written 2 versions of like an intermediate course designed to support the data analyst associate Microsoft qualification. So if you're looking to do that, do one of those 2-day courses, really help you. Dates are going on the website, geordieintelligence.co.uk. We've got membership in there. I've thought long and hard about the right way to do it. Membership feels right. I've got no interest in just bombarding you with stuff. Yeah, it's on the channel. Subscribe to the channel. The main reason for the membership is because we have to process card payments. So we're using Stripe for it. Everything's secure. It's all properly done. And it stops me having to try and collect and harvest lots of names and details and stuff like that, because by using that, you become a member on the site. It's basic information I want. I really don't want anything from you. It's not me. And we can then look to train you up. Obviously, the channel costs money. Everything costs money. So paid membership helps me. If you do become a paid member, we obviously reduce the costs of your training. It's about 50% that you'll get a reduction. If you want to become one of what angels, that's brilliant. I'd love more angels. You guys get 2 hours consultancy with me, which honestly I think is worth it, like per month. There's a lot that you can do with it. I've had a couple of people say, well, what would you do? And when I was talking with me mates about it, saying, that's what I'm going to do. They were going, 2 hours? What's that? And on its own, 2 hours wouldn't be much, but 2 hours a month stacks up very well, because you can start to actually piece things together. And yeah, you're not going to have me to do in terms of I'm going to do the work for you as a consultancy, but you will have the me to be a soundboard to balance things off, and I can help you shape what it is you're looking to do and deliver into your business. Okay. For a business, that's a great cheap option. I can't think of a better way to do it. Obviously, if you want to go the consultancy route, of course, Geordie Consulting is there. But I think for Geordie Intelligence, it's a great step for people to go and move through, and also it helps support the channel, because it just costs money, and it would be great to pay for itself fully. So what do you reckon then? It's been a year. I've loved doing it. I hope you've loved being with us on this journey. Looking forward, I think we've got a great future ahead of us. Right? There's so much we can do. And for me, the business, I think, is starting to take shape. It's starting to look like I wanted it to look. And even the concepts behind it, like Geordie Intelligence, I wanted to use Geordie in the branding and everything like that, because for me, Newcastle's an amazing place, right? It's great, right? Full of innovative people, real creative hub of the UK, and it's just really downtrodden at the moment, and everyone's got this really negative view of Newcastle, and I wanted people to have a more positive view. And Geordie Intelligence, it's about, there's lots of people up here, who are really smart and who are able to do so much for your companies. And that's what I want to do. We want the brand, really. There. So I hope you'll stick with us. I hope you think, top lad, great idea. Support the channel. And we'll be back on Friday with more normal videos for Weekend Work 23, yeah? So take care. Have a great week. Ta-da.